Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver, and today I have an update for you on the $10,200 worth of unemployment benefits that are to be untaxed according to the new stimulus bill. The American Rescue Plan granted that $10,200 worth of unemployment benefits are to be untaxed and taken out from your AGI calculation if you are under a $150,000 AGI. Now, a few days ago, the IRS released information on how this is to be calculated and applied to tax returns using the Schedule 1. I have a video that shows that specific publication and shows you the information shared there. Now, shortly following the publishing of that video, the IRS issued an additional statement geared towards individuals who have already filed their 2020 income taxes. The IRS has this published on irs.gov, and they are giving specific instructions to individuals who have already filed 2020 income taxes. This publication is good news because it leads us to believe that the IRS will be providing an additional, more simplified way to claim that $10,200 untaxed benefit as opposed to filing an amendment. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to read you what the publication says so that you can see it straight from the IRS. Publication states, the IRS is reviewing implementation for the newly enacted American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. The IRS strongly urges taxpayers not to file amended returns related to the new legislative provisions or take other unnecessary steps at this time. IRS will provide taxpayers with additional guidance on those provisions that could affect their 2020 tax return, including the retroactive provision that makes the first $10,200 of 2020 unemployment benefits non-taxable. For those who haven't filed yet, the IRS will provide a worksheet for paper filers and work with software industries to update current tax software so that taxpayers can determine how to report their unemployment income on their 2020 tax return. Now, from my prior video, I showed you that calculation that has changed the rule where we can exclude that $10,200. That is the rule that is going to be updated in tax softwares. So as I stated in my prior video, which I'm going to link down below, if you're using a tax software to file, that tax software is going to be updated, and you should be checking with your tax software online to see when those updates are available, and then you will need to update your software. If you were using a CPA or a tax preparer and going to a professional to have it done for you as opposed to using a software, that tax preparer will be able to utilize the new rule that the IRS has stated and that I shared previously. If you're an individual that files your income taxes completely by hand with paper statements, not using a tax software and not using a tax preparer, then they state here that they will provide an additional worksheet to utilize. This scenario will not apply to the majority of my viewers because the majority of my viewers will be using either a tax software or a professional tax preparer. But if you are someone that files using paper filing only, then you will be awaiting an additional worksheet. For those who have received unemployment benefits last year and have already filed their 2020 tax return, the IRS emphasizes they should not file an amended return at this time until the IRS issues additional guidance. Those of you that have already filed your 2020 income taxes, the IRS is now stating to wait to amend. Why? Because if they receive an influx of amendments right now, it's going to slow processing for them. And this tells us a piece of good news that the IRS is developing an easier procedure for you. So if you have already filed a 2020 income tax return, I would anticipate them to release new information shortly about a simpler process. Guys, as these programs from the stimulus bill continue to get updated, get processed, new developments start unfolding, I'll continue to keep you updated. Keep in mind that all of these programs and all of the updates that are being posted are time sensitive. They will change and they will continue to evolve, so make sure that you have the notification bell clicked next to the subscribe button to me so that anytime I do publish an update with new information, because a video might be outdated previously, you receive that notification right away and you're able to keep updated. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. So bright. These clouds. In this light, I just look like two eyes. because I'm so pale. You can't see anything else. This, for about 5 years, this is what my driver's license photo looked like. It was just 2 eyes and a sea of white.